morning, students. Welcome to Shiksha Sanjog online teaching learning program of Noapada district. I am Himanshu Pod, assistant teacher Rudra Padmini High School, Chindaguda. In our last class, we have discussed what is sentence, types of sentences, what is simple sentence, types of simple sentences, pattern of declarative sentence, and also negative sentence. How to make negative from a positive sentence. Today we will discuss compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? Dear students, before reading compound sentence, we have to know what is phrase and clause. So, dear students, get ready with your pen and copy and let me explain what is phrase and what is clause. Look at the whiteboard. Phrase and clause. Both phrase and clause are a group of words. Phrase is a group of words and clause is also a group of words. In phrase, having no subject verb combination, but in clause there is subject verb combination. Phrase is used alone in a sentence. Example of phrase: a black cat on the table, a pretty girl, etc. Example of clauses: my mother says I drink tea, birds fly. And in my past class I have told you clause is also a structure like a sentence or a part of a sentence. My mother says I drink tea, birds fly. Here mother is subject and says is verb. I is subject, drink is verb and tea is object. Birds is subject and fly is verb. So there must be a subject and verb combination in a clause, but in phrase there is no subject verb combination. This is the difference between phrase and clause. Okay, students, look at the whiteboard and see. In the first sentence, I know you and you know me. I know you and you know me. Here there are two clauses. One is I know you, another is you know me. This is independent clause. Independent clause. And you know me, this is also independent clause. And here and is a coordinator or coordinating conjunction. In the second sentence, I know you, you do not know me. I know you, independent clause, and you don't know, it is also independent clause. And here but is coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. What is the work of conjunction? Conjunction combines two or more than two independent clauses. Yes, students, independent clause is also known as main clause or principal clause. In the third sentence, so who can underline the two clauses? Anybody else? Okay, student, see. The girl can speak English. She cannot speak Hindi. The girl can speak English. It is independent clause. She cannot speak in Hindi. Independent clause. And what is the coordinator? In the fourth sentence, my father was tired. Independent clause. He went to bed early. Independent clause. And so is the conjunction or coordinating conjunction. So students, first again you see the first sentence. I know you and you know me. These are two positive sentences. I know you, मुई तुमके जानसी and तुमे मोके जानसो. These two positive sentences joined with and. But in the second sentence, I know you positive. You don't know me. This is negative. मुई तुमके जानसी, तुमे मोते नहीं जानो. So here, but is the coordinating conjunction joined their two independent clauses and made it a compound sentence. Okay, students. What is a compound sentence? The sentences consist of two or more than two independent clauses and joined by a coordinator or coordinating conjunction. You see, the sentences consist of two or more than two independent clauses. जो वाक्य गुड़ी को दुईटी किंबा दुईरु अधिक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज रे गठित होइतिबो एवं joined by a coordinator. गोटिए कोऑर्डिनेटर से दुईटी किंबा दुईरु अधिक क्लॉज को संयोग करथिबो से ताकू कहा जाए compound sentence. This is compound sentence. There are so many coordinating conjunctions and I have made a short formula to remember the coordinators. You see how it is formed. Fanboys. 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 This is the first letter of 7 coordinating conjunctions. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, otherwise, Y for yet, S for so, still. So these are some coordinating conjunction. Besides this coordinating conjunction, there are some correlative conjunctions, and they are either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. So students, you have to remember all these coordinating conjunctions to make a compound sentence. These coordinating conjunctions joins two or more than two independent clauses and form a compound sentence. So students, look at the whiteboard. There are some examples of compound sentence, and we will discuss one after another. You see the first sentence, I wrote a story and you wrote a poem. You can separate two independent clauses and underline the independent clauses. In the first sentence, I wrote a story, you wrote a poem. In the second sentence, the old man is poor, he is happy. The old man is poor, yet he is happy. से बुढ़ा लोगटे बहुत गरीब अटे तथापि से खुशी अटे. Yet is the coordinator. In the first sentence, and is the coordinator. You wrote a story. तमे गोटे कहानी लिखि दाओ. Sorry, I wrote a story. मु गोटे कहानी लिखिली. And you wrote a poem. तमे गोटे कविता लिखि दाओ. Students, you see, I wrote and you wrote. These are same action. So we have used and here. Here you see, the old man is poor. Say गरीब अटे, yet he is happy. तथापि से खुशी अटे. So here yet is appropriate. In the third sentence, you should learn English or you will lose your job. तुमको इंग्रजी पढ़ा उचित, अन्यथा you will lose your job. नहेले तुम्हें चाकरी तुम्हारा हराइबो. See, you should learn English. This is independent clause. Another independent clause, you will lose your job. And or is the coordinator. Students, or means अन्यथा. तुम्हें इंग्रजी पढ़ा उचित, अन्यथा तुम्हें चाकरी हराइबो. अन्यथा you can use else. Here also we can use else in place of or else. Or else is also a coordinating conjunction. Else is also a coordinating conjunction. Next student, he had no money, nor could he borrow some. He had no money. तांको पखरे पैसा नथिला. Nor could he borrow money. से काठारो धार मध्य किछि कले नाही. Nor is the coordinator. In the fifth sentence, you will get a conduct certificate for you have no bad records. तुमे गुटिए conduct certificate पाई परिबो. जेहेतु for means here, for means because, but because is not used here. Because is not a coordinator. It is a subordinating conjunction. Subordinator. It is a subordinator. We will discuss subordinator in our next class when we read complex sentence. So for means because, but because is not appropriate here. You will get a conduct certificate for you have no bad records. जेहेतु तुमरो कोनोसी खराब रेकर्ड नाही, ତେଣୁକରି ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ପାଇପାରିବ। The last sentence. Ramesh got 95% marks. Still he was not happy. Ramesh 90% mark पाइला, तथापि से खुशी नुह। He was not happy. This is an independent clause and this is also an independent clause. And here still तथापि is the coordinator. So students, these are some examples of compound sentence and how it is formed. Students, another sentence. You see, I came, I saw, I conquered. This is also a compound sentence. This is also a compound sentence. You see, here there is no coordinating conjunction. Although there is no coordinating conjunction, this is also a compound sentence. So the speaker, when he speaks, I came, I saw, I conquered, at that time the speaker takes pause here. I came, I saw, I conquered, and comma is used after every independent clauses. This is also another type of compound sentence. So students, look at the whiteboard again. You see, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. These are also called as correlative conjunctions. They also join two independent clauses and make a compound sentence. And you see how they form. Look at the first sentence first. You may go home. You may stay here. You may go home. You may stay here. These are two independent clauses. You see, you may go. Sorry. You may. These are common in two independent clauses. So when you make a compound sentence, you have to take you may, and you see, go home, stay here. Go home and stay here. These are verb phrase, VP. Verb phrase. Stay here, go home. So before we have to put either or here. We have to put either before go home and before and or before stay here. You see, you may either go home or stay here. It means तुम्हें एक घरे रही पार, सॉरी तुम्हें घर जाई पार, नहिले एठारे रही पार. You may either go home or stay here. This is also a compound sentence. Compound sentence. The next sentence. She speaks fluently. She speaks distinctively. Distinctively. She speaks fluently. She speaks distinctly. These are two independent clauses. You see, how can we combine the sentence into a compound sentence? You see, both she speaks are common. So you have to write once. She speaks. Not only fluently but also distinctly. Here not only but also is correlative conjunction. You can also combine the sentences with both and. You see, she speaks both fluently and distinctly. Both and is the correlative conjunction. Next, third sentence. I do not drink tea, I do not drink coffee. Here, these two sentences are negative sentence. मो चा पिए नहीं, मो कॉफी पिए नहीं. These are negative sentences or negative clauses. So, when we combine these clauses, we have to take neither nor. Yes, you see, I drink neither tea nor coffee. I drink neither tea nor coffee. Neither nor is a negative correlative conjunction. I do not drink tea. अर्थ मो चा पिए नहीं. I drink neither tea. मो केवे चा पिए नहीं. I do not drink coffee. मो कॉफी पिए नहीं. It means nor coffee means I drink neither coffee. This is also a compound sentence. Last, the artist will sing for us, they will dance for us. Yes, you see, students, the artist will sing for us. The artist will, you see, the underlined parts are same thing, but sing and dance, these two verbs are different. So these are verb phrase. Verb phrase. So you have to use not only before sing and but also from before dance. The artist will not only sing but also dance for us. तार अर्थ है the artists कलाकार माने केवल गीत गाइबे नहीं आम्भ पई नाचिबे मध्य. You can also combine these two sentences with both and. See, the artist will both sing and dance for us. कलाकार माने आम्भ मानक पई उभय गीत गाइबे एवं नाचिबे. So the artist will both sing and dance for us. So students, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. These are correlative conjunctions. Okay students, this is all about compound sentence, and there is a PDF of worksheet. There are two activities in the worksheet. You have to go through the videos. Whenever you face any problems, take pause, watch the video again and again, and do the activities and show to your teachers. Thank you.